VMware Fusion versus VirtualBox, which is more worth it? In this video, I'll compare VMware Fusion and VirtualBox to help you decide which is more worth it. So to get started, VMware Fusion is faster, smoother, and more user-friendly. VirtualBox is free, but it's clunky and lacks some performance polish. If you're just doing light testing or learning Linux, VirtualBox might be enough. But for a more seamless experience with better graphics and features, VMware Fusion is worth the cost. Fusion also integrates better with Mac OS, which matters if you're using a Mac full time. It's less buggy and more reliable overall. It's also compatible with more guest operating systems and has better support for 3D graphics acceleration. VirtualBox works, but it often needs extra tweaking. For budget use, VirtualBox is a good start, but if you want stability and better performance, Fusion takes the lead. And that is my breakdown of VMware Fusion versus VirtualBox.